to be able to go from 290 and literally fly over all the way to I-10 without setting one car tire or 1 foot down on that loop right there is pretty an amazing design.
So with that, I say thank you on behalf of the 2.1 million citizens of Houston, Texas. Thank you for your work, TxDOT. Thank you, commissioners. Thank you, Commissioner. I know you did a lot and you had your heart in it. We had conversations. Thank you to our state representatives and senators. We appreciate you, and we know that sometimes you have to put it out there, that political collateral, and put it on the line to do the right thing. And we appreciate it. Thank you.
Today's a wonderful celebration. Loop 610 has really become synonymous with the economy of the Houston region. This region has approximately a $500 billion gross regional product, and Loop 610 is integral as a corridor to move goods to market and provide economic opportunity. It also has been synonymous with heavy congestion and heavy traffic, particularly this section of 610 is one of the most congested sections of roadway in the state of Texas with 250,000 automobiles per day. Today, opening up a connector will relieve so much of that congestion, allowing automobiles to go from 290 to I-10, and it will be a wonderful stimulus to the region's economy, which is good for the state's economy.